Okay, this is a problem that I have in my 1098 not starting. Turn the key, you get this noise. As normal, and then this is display on the dash. Nothing on the start. Mode buttons don't change anything.